Alright, it's time to remove these heater boxes. And two things are going to be needed for that one. First is there's nuts. Two nuts that need to be coming off. And then, don't forget this. Ooh, I gotta find this one. This right here. Oh, here it is. So let's see if we can get you a nice clean shot of this. Right behind that heater box, that's where the spring connects. There's this little lip on the heat shield. That's where the spring connects, and it connects to the lever arm that opens up the heat. So don't forget that. Let's go with, let's work on this heater box. On this particular heater box right here, the bolt is, or the nut is stripped, so I'm going to have to like grind it off or something, knock it out. But let's work on this one. Don't forget to remove the I guess they're the heat shields on the bottom. Plates or sheet metal. You gotta have a good screwdriver because this. Okay.